Sorry, just let me take a second to reminisce. Y'all should reminisce with me. Oh, we love Kim Crockett. Oh, I did. I got to see her backstage before you did. When she was getting ready, we know who we have next. We have Tata Toshima. Alright, Tata Toshima. Hey, Jackie, how you doing back there with Justin? Just had to shout out, sorry. I can do whatever the fuck I want because I'm like, it's awesome. Plus liquor in my system, it totally helps. If you need to take a bathroom break, I definitely suggest bathroom break now because, you know, you might wet your pants after you see this girl. Her name is Tata Toshima. We're cleaning up the stage right now, making sure it's pristine for her. Right? Wait till I get back there. Alright, so, Toshima, are you ready? Oh, she's ready for you. Ready, willing, and ready to perform. So let's go, Tata Toshima! Ow! Oh, I'm supposed to get her mic. Hold on.
Take back the